Luca from Eve Tech, and I have the EV here, which is the first crowd-developed computer. Let's start with the main things about what we are and how we've done this. So we have a online community that has told us what specs we need and what specs we don't need. So the community said to us that battery life is very important. So the device is a little more thick than Surface Pro or other competitors, and more weight also included there. So, but it packs a 48 watt-hour battery, which is the highest in-class battery. Also, the community said connectivity is one of the main things. So we have ports, many ports. We have USB-C ×2, which one of them duals up as Thunderbolt 3. We have two USB-As, one on this side and one on the other side. And then here we have the power button with fingerprint and volume up and down. And then we have a 3.5mm audio jack with dedicated audio amp. And that was something the community really wanted, was a dedicated audio amplifier to better the quality of your headphones that are plugged in. And as of CPUs, we went with Intel Core CPUs, Core Y CPUs. It starts with an M3 CPU and ends up with an i7. And the screen is a IGZO screen, high resolution 2736 by 1824, and with anti-reflection coating, so you can watch the screen also in sunlight. We went also with two far-field microphones on top of the device, so that the audio quality and the noise cancellation is best in class, and the microphones work nicely. And then we go to the keyboard. So travel distance was said that it needs to be enough. So we have 1.2 millimeters of travel distance, and then we have the backlight on the keyboard. The backlight is a nifty thing. It works so that you have a function button and press our logo V. It changes colors, and it's RGB backlight for that. And our keyboard also works wirelessly. The trackpad is Gorilla Glass trackpad for nice touch and feel, and well, durability if you need it in a trackpad. The device hooks off by magnets with pogo pins there, and then we have CNC aluminum body, so it's uni body design with the hinge. So we have a kickstand, and that was another thing community said really much. In the form factor, they want a kickstand in the device, not in the actual peripherals of the device. And the kickstand is made sturdy, and it has 130 degrees, 40 degrees of move, and it docks magnetically back. So that's about it. This is the V crowd developed device. The device comes with the Bluetooth keyboard, which works also wirelessly. So we have the precision trackpad working and the keyboard working with Bluetooth now. And once you hook it up back, it becomes USB protocol, so it's hooked up and it's also loading the battery. Then the device comes also with a pen, which is quite a basic pen, 1024 pressure levels, and you can draw whatever you wish on the device. The basic pricing for all of this that you see now is $799 for the M3 model, 8 gigabits of RAM, and then 128 SSD. And for an optional extra, you can purchase the sleeve, the magnetic sleeve. These were very popular in our Indiegogo campaign, so we've sold devices with this accessory really much. It has a place for your pen here. It slides in, and then the actual device, so it slides in next to the pen, and it becomes a neat, good, all-in-all product with a small pocket on the back. This was sold for 29 USD in our Indiegogo campaign. New pricing of this has not been told yet. And sales will start next month, and let's see. Hopefully you find the device very nice, and please guess the price. So there's a guess the price contest also.